Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am doing an unboxing from Blue Ridge Nurseries. Blue Ridge Nurseries sell daylilies, so this is a great unboxing to be doing. Now, I've been ordering from Blue Ridge daylilies for a few years now, and Robert Salmon and Eric Simpson do a great job. They have a Facebook page that is so much fun. They do giveaways on their Facebook page. They do grab bags. It is just, not only do you see the beautiful flowers that you can order and comment to order right on the Facebook page, but it's always fun to have little prizes like that. 2 years ago, I ordered a grab bag. Now, Salmon and Simpson hybridize a lot of their own daylilies, and so they'll go and they'll cross two parent plants, and they'll collect all the seeds, and they'll see which ones grow the best, and they take those that they like the best, they name them officially, introduce them to the daylily world, and they end up with some really great seedlings left over that weren't chosen by them to become official daylilies, but they let some of those beautiful seedlings out as grab bag options, and then you get a big clump of these seedlings that you can plant, and you actually get the rights to those seedlings. You could go and name them yourself and officially register them. Now, I don't do that, but when I ordered my grab bag of red seedlings, I ended up with some gorgeous flowers. So when I saw that they had daylily grab bags available this year, I couldn't resist, and I ordered a different red seedling grab bag. So the parent plants to this grab bag are Schiaparelli Pink and Hopi Jewel. I happen to have Hopi Jewel, and I love it. It is gorgeous. Let me see the exact information about Hopi Jewel. Hopi Jewel is about 30 inches tall. It is 6 inches wide, so it's a nice big flower, and it's a bright rose color with a darker band above a yellow to green throat, and it's a mid-season bloomer. Schiaparelli Pink I do not have, but it is a cross between Falling for Pink and Alva Reese, and it gets to be about 34 inches tall, also about 6 inches wide, so another really big daylily, and it's a fuchsia rose pink with a small triangular lighter pink watermark and ruffled gold edge over a small yellow to green throat. So both of those are beautiful in and of themselves. And then baby daylilies made from those parent plants are going to be pretty spectacular. So in here, we're going to find the daylily seedlings, and there are 5 different ones that get sent in each grab bag. And you can see how big these clumps are. It's really fun the next year when they bloom, and usually you get a really good sized clump from Blue Ridge Nurseries. I'm not saying their regular clumps aren't amazing, but these are like, wow. So look at this. This is huge. All of these great looking tubers. Blue Ridge Nursery always sends really beautiful plants, and I have had tremendous luck with them, which is why I want to share with you. I am not sponsored for this video at all, but I know that if you are a daylily lover like me, you are looking for really reliable people that you can buy spectacular daylilies from. And Blue Ridge Nurseries is just one of those places. So these are going to come just with a number, and it says red seedling. This is their grab bag number 2, and it has the number on the back there. So no name. And then part of me wants to just like give them fun names for in my garden, even if it's not the official name. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. So we're going to get these 5 big clumps, and we know that they're going to be a good cross between those 2 parent plants. I mean, look at the size of this box. This is amazing. Wow. They are just all so healthy, so happy. It's raining outside today, so I decided to do the unboxing in here. So let's see, there's 3. Oh my goodness, this one I can just, this is a huge clump. Wow. Oh, I love this. So I'm gonna plant these in the garden and they're gonna look like they've been there. Oof. Oh my goodness. This is why they put this one at the bottom here. It was the biggest clump. They're gonna look like they've been in my garden for ages because they're such big clumps, which I love. There's one more there. Okay, hold it. And then, let's see what this is. Oh, this is an inconvenient tooth. So when you order on their Facebook page, usually they're doing like a summer sizzling giveaway, and each day somebody who has ordered that day, their name goes into a drawing and you can win a daylily. So when I ordered these, my name went into the drawing and I won an inconvenient tooth, which is really, really cute. It has teeth along the edge, and I think that's going to be a great addition. And look, so look at this. This is their regular size clump. That is a big clump of daylilies. Oh, I love it. And there's one more in here. This is Ringtone, a gift daylily. Oh, thank you so much, Blue Ridge Nurseries. I will have to look up and see what Ringtone looks like. Sometimes, if you are lucky enough to get a seller that will include a gift daylily, you get some great surprises that way. So I love it when I get to unbox something and I don't really know what it is yet, but I know that I will love planting it in the garden. So a big thank you to Robert Selman and Eric Simpson at Blue Ridge Nurseries. They grow gorgeous daylilies which make my garden look spectacular. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.